Are you struggling to find the perfect audio mixer for your setup? Whether you're a podcaster, musician, DJ, or content creator, choosing the right mixer can completely change your sound quality. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best audio mixers in 2026, from budget-friendly options to professional-grade gear that delivers studio-quality sound. I'll break down each mixer with real pros and cons, performance insights, and who it's actually best for, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to pick. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Mackie MX12FX. We have the Mackie MX12FX, a compact 12-channel mixer that's designed for beginners and small setups. It comes with built-in effects and Mackie's signature audio quality. What makes this mixer stand out is its simplicity. If you're just getting into audio mixing, this is one of the easiest mixers to learn on. The built-in FX engine gives you effects like reverb and delay, which instantly improve vocals, instruments, or even podcasts. You don't need extra software or gear. The sound quality is surprisingly clean for its price range, and Mackie is known for reliability, so you're getting something that lasts. However, it's clearly designed for basic setups. If you're planning to record directly to your computer, you might feel limited because there's no USB interface. Pros: beginner-friendly layout, built-in effects, clean sound quality, lightweight and portable. If you want something simple, affordable, and reliable, this is a great starting point. Number 2. CT120S Professional 12-Channel Mixer. Here we have the CT120S 12-channel mixer, which is packed with modern features like Bluetooth, USB playback, MP3 support, and 48-volt phantom power. This mixer is clearly designed for versatility. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth, play music directly from USB, and even use condenser microphones thanks to phantom power. It's especially useful for DJs, small events, or even home karaoke setups. Now, while it offers a lot of features for the price, the trade-off is in build quality and sound refinement. Compared to brands like Yamaha or Mackie, the audio isn't as crisp or balanced, but for casual users, that might not even be noticeable. Pros: tons of features for the price. Bluetooth connectivity, USB recording and playback, phantom power support. If you want maximum features on a budget, this is a solid choice. Number 3. Generic 12-channel audio mixer. This 12-channel mixer is another budget-friendly option that includes Bluetooth, USB connectivity, reverb effects, and phantom power. This type of mixer is very popular among beginners because it offers almost everything you need at a low price. It works well for podcasting, small live performances, and home studios. The controls are straightforward, and you get decent flexibility. However, consistency is the main issue here. Build quality can vary, and the sound performance isn't always reliable. So while it's a good starting point, it may not be something you keep long-term. Pros: very affordable, multiple connectivity options, beginner-friendly. Best for beginners who want to experiment without spending too much. Number 4. Yamaha MG12XU. Now, stepping into professional territory, the Yamaha MG12XU, a 12-input mixer with studio-grade preamps, built-in SPX effects, and USB audio interface. This mixer is known for its exceptional sound clarity. Yamaha's preamps deliver very clean, natural audio, which is perfect for vocals and instruments. It also includes high-quality built-in effects that sound professional, not cheap or artificial. The USB interface makes it perfect for recording directly into your computer, which is great for content creators and musicians. And the build quality? Extremely solid. This is a mixer built to last for years. The only downside is that beginners might find it a bit complex, and it's more expensive than the other options. Pros: excellent audio quality, professional-grade effects, USB recording, durable build. Perfect for creators who want professional sound without going too complex. Number 5. Mackie ProFX10 V3 Plus. We have the Mackie ProFX10 V3 Plus, a professional 10-channel mixer with Onyx mic preamps, GigFX effects, USB interface, and Bluetooth. This mixer hits the sweet spot between professional features and ease of use. The Onyx preamps deliver rich, detailed sound, making it perfect for podcasts, streaming, and music recording. The USB interface is excellent for direct recording, and the Bluetooth feature adds convenience for modern setups. Even though it has fewer channels than others, the overall quality and performance more than make up for it. Pros: high-quality preamps, USB recording, Bluetooth support, excellent build. Perfect for creators who want professional sound without going too complex. And that's my list of the top 5 best audio mixers in 2026. No matter your setup, whether you're just starting out, building a home studio, or performing live, there's definitely a mixer here that fits your needs and budget. If you want my personal recommendation, I'd say go for the one that matches your workflow, not just the price. Good audio can make a huge difference in your content or performance. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.